On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is free, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Before we get into the details, let me refresh the page so that you can see everything. So let me click on updates. Once I click on it, you can see everything has been updated. You can see it right here. Once that is done, the first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are many affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Max Bounty, you can join Digest224, you can join ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Digest224. Digest224 is available worldwide, and they have a lot of different methods of payments that you can use to receive your money anytime you earn a commission on this website. So search for Digest224. Once you search for it, you have to create your accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to find a product that you can promote. There are a lot of different products on this platform that you can promote to earn a commission wherever you are in the world. There are a whole lot of different products. As a school, you can see many products that you can select to promote. If you want a specific category, you can come right here. You can see product categories. Once you are here, click on any kind of products that you want so that you can get a product to promote. For example, if you want digital products, all that you need to do is that you have to click right here, digital products. Once you click on the digital products, you can see the subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see they have animals and pet, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, and the rest. There are a whole lot of different categories of products on this platform that you can select to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select the one that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. If you want, you can select a physical product. You can see shipping products. The shipping products are physical products. So you can click right here. Once you click on the shipping products, you can see the category. They have skincare, they have food supplements. Any of these two categories that you want, you can click on it and then find a physical product that you can promote to make money anytime you earn a commission. So just select any of the products that you want so that you can promote it to make money from home. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to promote a product under the home and garden. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, home and garden. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select any of the products under the home and garden so that you can promote it to earn a commission. You can see, for example, this one. If you promote it and get a sale, you're going to be earning $42.87 per every sale that you get. If you scroll down, you can see this one, you're going to be earning $41.33 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote to make money from home. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money from home. So just select the one that you want. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be promoting the product that have the highest commission rate. You can see this offer right here. The commission rate is $157.23 per every sale that you get. So I'm going to be promoting this product right here since the commission rate is very high. Now once you have selected the product, the next step is that you have to click on it so that you can be able to see other details of the product. So click right here. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are the details of the product. You can see the description. If you want resources to promote the product, you can click right here, affiliate support. Once you click on it, you can get the assistance that you need to promote the product. For example, if you want images, if you want email swipes, if you want landing pages, any resources that you need to promote the product, you can click right here. Once you click on the affiliate support page, you can be able to contact the seller and then get any kind of resources that you want. Apart from that, you can also click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you'll be able to see the landing page of the product. The landing page is the first page that your potential visitors are going to see once they click on your affiliate link. So you must promote a product that have a nice landing page. A very good landing page will convince many people to purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission. This is the landing page of the product. As you can see, these are the details on the landing page. You can see everything. You can see everything. This product has a very long landing page with a lot of details, so it can get people to purchase the product for you to earn money. You can see a whole lot of details about the product. You can see everything. They even have testimonials of customers who purchase the product. You can see it right here. Most of the people who purchase the product, they are satisfied with what they got. You can see the testimonials. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. Since the customers are satisfied with the product, you can see everything in the landing page. Now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting the product. To get your affiliate link, you have to come back on Teespring. Once you come back, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, your affiliate link has been copied. Now the next step is that you have to get people to click on the link of the product and then purchase it so that you can be paid a commission of $157.23. So you have to get the people to purchase the product through your affiliate link. There are many ways that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link. You can use paid method or you can use free method. In this case, I'm going to be showing you a free method that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Most of you do not believe in free traffic source, but I'm telling you that free traffic source, it works, but you need to be consistent. I'm going to show you a proof of a free traffic source that I've used and the statistics that I've got. In one of my videos, I showed you how you can use this website to drive free traffic to your affiliate link. The name of the website is freeas.co.uk. I showed you how you can use this website to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Most of you did not believe. I'm going to show you the statistics that I've got from this website. So let me open my email inbox. Let me open it for you to see. You can see this is my email inbox. Let me refresh it for you to see. Let me refresh it for you to see so that you can see the statistics. Let me click on reload. Just wait for it to reload so that you can see everything. It is going to reload. You can see it is reloading. Just see everything for yourself. I want to show you so that you can believe and take action. Let's wait for it to load. It is loading. Let's wait for it to load. You can see it has finished loading. Now let me come on the promotion. You can see promotion. You can see it right here. You can see free ads. You can see the 3 updates. You can see it right here. You can see your advert statistics. Yesterday they sent me one. Today they have sent me another one again. So I'm going to click on it so that you can see the statistics that I got. So let me click on it for you to see. As you can see, these are the statistics. You can see the number of views. You can see it right here. You can see the title of my ad. You can see the price. You can see everything. You can see the statistics. Free ads works, but you need to be consistent. So you have to be consistent so that you can get the results. Keep on posting the ads so that you can get many people to click on your link and then take the action for you to make money. So the website that we are going to be using today to post the free ads is called topclassifieds.com. Topclassifieds is one of the best websites where you can advertise your affiliate link for free. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can post your ad for free without paying for anything. You can see housing, business, services, health and fitness, sport, and then the rest. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post an ad for free. You can see they are available in many states in the United States. They are also available in many other countries. So any country that you want, you can target it using this website. It is free. You are not required to pay for anything. All that you need to do is that you have to post the ads as many as you want so that you can get people to click on your affiliate link. To post an ad, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post free ad. Once you click on post free ad, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see select your location. So you can select any location in the United States. If you want, you can click right here, change. Once you click on it, you can change to any country that you want. In this case, I'm targeting United States, but if you want, you can see the different countries. Just select any of them that you want. You can see they have Lebanon, you can see Hungary, you can see China, and the rest. Any country that you want, you can target it. In this case, I'm going to select the United States. You can see it, United States, and you can see the state Indiana. So I'm going to be posting the ad to people who live in Indiana. You can see it right here. Once you select Indiana, the next step is that you have to select a city in Indiana state. So click on any of these cities that you want. Once you select the city, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select a category. You have to select the category that best match the ad that you are posting. You can see different categories. Select the one that is related to the product that you are promoting. In this case, it is under the home and garden, so click right here, home and garden. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you have to be specific. So select the specific subcategory under home and garden. In this case, it is gardening equipment, so click on it. Once you click on it, the next step is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you have to enter your ad details. So you have to enter the title and then the description of the product. So come back on Digits 224. Once you come back on Digits 224, the next step is that you have to highlight and copy the name of the product. So highlight and copy the name of the product as your description. Highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. Once you paste the title, if you want, you can select the location. So just click on it and then select the location again. You can see it right here. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the description right here. So come back on Digits 224. Once you come back on Digits 224, you can see this is the description of the product. Highlight and copy everything. Highlight and then copy the description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to type a call to action right here. So type something like click here to learn more. Something like this. Click here to learn more. Once you type your call to action, the next step is that you have to come back on Digits 224. Once you come back on Digits 224, click right here, copy promo link. Once you click on copy promo link, you can see your affiliate link has been copied onto your clipboard. So come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on the globe icon. Once you click on it, delete this and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, click on OK. As you can see, that has been done. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this is the preview. This is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see. You can see the preview is nice. You can see your affiliate link is clickable. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the price of the product. So come back on Digits 224. Once you come back on Digits 224, you can see this is the price of the product. You can see it. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back. Once you come back, it is in pounds. So just enter $500. You can see the product is in pounds. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. It is in pounds. So what we have to do is that we have to reduce it because the value of the pounds is higher than the dollar. So let's enter $500. Once that is done, you have to enter your email address here. So select your email address. Once you select your email address, the next step is that you have to enter the security code. You can see the code right here. Enter it. So you can see it is FCCXFF. Something like this. That is the security code. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the product. So you can come back on Digits 224. Once you come back, highlight the name of the product, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to open a new tab and then paste it right here. Once you paste the name of the product, click on enter so that you can get images of the product. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on images so that you can get images of the product. Once you click on it, you can see these are images of the product. Download any of them that you want. To download an image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you click on save images, you're going to see a page like this. Click on save. Once that is done, you can download as many images as you want. Just download as you want so that you can use them in your ad. Once you download the images, the next step is that you have to come back on your ad so that you can upload the images. Once you come back, you can see, click right here, choose file. Once you click on choose file, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on choose file. Once you click on it, select your image, click on open. Once you click on it, check this box. People can contact me with commercial interest. Click on it. Once that is done, check this box. I agree to the terms of use by making a post. Once that is done, if you want to promote your ad, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you can select feature ad. Once you select it, you have to pay $4.99 so that your ad can be featured. But in this case, you are not going to pay for anything, so just leave it as none. Once that is done, click right here, post now, so that your ad can be posted onto the platform. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. On screen, you can see an email has been sent to you. So you have to check your email inbox so that you can activate the ad. Once you activate it, it is going to be published onto this website so that you can get people to view it and then click on your affiliate link so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. So let me click on my email inbox so that I can show you. You can see verify your email. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see thank you for posting your ad. So you can see the title of your ad. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on this link so that your ad will be shown on the website. So click right here to verify. Once you click on it, you have verified your email address. You can see email verified. You can see it right here. You can now click right here to view your ad. That means your ad has been published onto the website and you are going to be getting people who will click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money from home. Select products under each of these categories and then post them onto this website. When you go back on the student info, you'll find a product and a business, select it and then post it right here. You'll find a product and a jobs, select it and then post it right here. You'll find a product and a pest and animal, select it and then post it right here. Do not duplicate one ad. Select a different product and then post it onto the website. Make sure you be consistent so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the products that you are promoting. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.